Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView signals. These powerful tools are automated alerts that help you spot potential market movements. They can highlight specific buy or sell opportunities for various assets, making your trading decisions more informed. You'll find these signals integrated directly within TradingView's comprehensive charting tools, ready to assist your analysis. To locate signals, navigate to the Pine script editor or the strategy tester on TradingView. Here, you can identify various signal types, including clear buy, sell, or neutral indicators. It's crucial to evaluate each signal's context, considering the asset and time frame. Also, review its historical performance to gauge its potential reliability before making any decisions. When applying signals, always integrate them with your existing technical analysis methods. Think of them as a powerful confirmation tool, rather than your sole trading trigger. Remember, no signal is foolproof. It's essential to implement strict risk management for every trade you consider, protecting your capital and ensuring a sustainable approach to the markets. For best results, always backtest any signal-based strategy thoroughly before committing real capital. When you do go live, begin with small position sizes to test the signal's effectiveness in current market conditions. The markets are dynamic, so continuously adapt your strategy based on new information and performance. Learning and adjusting are key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.